Once upon a time, there was a haunted tower. And the haunted tower had ghosts in it. There were oil fields everywhere, and it was a haunted place. Dwight Jones is selling our city because of all the haunted places there is. Because he said there was too much scariness. But it was okay with me. But one thing is our family. Our family went to this church. We love this church, but now we had to give it up. And we hid from everyone in the town. So they put up posters everywhere saying that if they find our family, then they would get $1,000. So everybody searched everywhere to find us, but no one could. But we were hidden in the church. But we couldn't find a place that there was food. So we had to wait 2 weeks until they all gave up and left the town. The end.